gonna make today a lava lamp. This is what we're gonna need. Vegetable oil, a water bottle, and tassets, and food coloring. Step 1. Put it in the water. In the water bottle, the water. Can you help me with the water? Ooh, water. Yay, water. Okay. Step 2. Put it in the food coloring. Whoa. Blue. Let's do now the red one. Step 3. Put it in the oil. Can you help me, Daddy?
Yes.
Okay. Getting bigger, bigger. Don't make it bigger. Make it bigger. Don't. Okay. Okay. Wow, it looks so cool. Let's put it in this one. The red one too. Oh. Yay! Let's put it in this one now. Purple. Put it in the tassels. Let's start with the red. Are you ready to put it in? It's working! It's working!
Wow, it looks like a lava lamp.
What is lurking? Can I put it in this? Wow! Yay! Okay guys, time to try it. Oh wow! Another one. And the other one. Oh wow! Lava lamp. Look what I made here. Very dark and look what I made. Wow! Ba 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 ba. I'm ready to put it in this.
Okay.
Ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
What? Go. This is the chimney.
Woo!
Wow. And the other one. This one. It's not going again. Wow.
Cool lava lamp.
Cool lava lamp. Get out of it. That's it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe.
And say bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye guys. Thank you.
Ask your parents to help you make your own lava lamp.